everyone, I am Ghulam Abbas. I hope you guys are doing well. Well, these are some of the websites that I have created using the Elementor free version and the free theme. So as you can see, this is basically a portfolio or simply a business servicing website that I have created for a client called Salihi Tech Solutions. Now, basically, these are the services that they are providing. As you can see, if I have to scroll down, these are the pages, the reviews, and this is also the footer that they wanted me to design it like this. So as you can see, these are simply the pages. So if you go to the about page, you will notice that these are also the about page of this website, the team members, and again the review sections. Same goes for the services page, for the digital marketing blog section, and then that stuff. So as you can see, this is the project for them. So yeah, this is also the other website that I have designed for a client in Australia, Aussie Cash for Cause. As you can see, these are the services that they are providing, why they choose, and other stuff. So there is also the portfolio work and the recent post, I mean the blog section, and the contact section. I don't know, for some reason the contact form has been removed from here. So the author must have done, or the creator of the website must have done. And as you can see, the social media icons have also been removed from here. So you can also check the other pages of these website that I have designed it for the client. So okay, he has also messed up with the forum in the right side, as you can see. So anyway, moving on to the location stuff, sorry, through the services page, as you can see, okay, he has also messed up here. Anyway, pages, blog section, and the gallery and other stuff. So as you can see, this is simply a lot of stuff that I have designed for this client. Anyway, this is also another website. In fact, it was my very first website that I designed it. So as you can see, these are the contact form and the other stuff. So my point is that these days AI tools are creating these type of websites easily. For instance, as you can see, this is the website that I have created using the ZipWP AI AI plugin, or you can say AI page builder. So as you can see, this is a simple digital website that I provided the stuff there, and now it has designed it for me. So as you can see, here is the hero section, and also you can see that all of these texts have been written using AI. So I have not written a single thing here except the services of WordPress designing, SEO, content creation, logo designing, and other stuff. So as you can see, those are the only services that I have provided here. And then if you go ahead, take a look at this is the services page, the services that they have designed, and about this website, and finally why to choose this website for your services, and finally the client section or the testimonial, and finally the team section. As you can see, this is quite good enough. In fact, it is very well made. So it is. Let me also tell you that this website is built on the Spectra, or so-called the creators of the Astra theme. They have created a blog theme called Spectra, and it is built on that. So as you can see, if I have to click on about page, you will notice that it has done quite a tremendous job, but still these need quite some work. It is not just a simple clean stuff that you can hand it over to your client. Still, it needs works. It need a lot of work. You have to design the pages. Again, you have to include your for instance, in the home page, you could have simply include the hover effect. For instance, whenever they are going to hover over these services, it should change the color or that other stuff, as you can see in this website, like this. So as you can see, whenever I'm hovering it, it is showing a more detailed stuff there. So this is simple example that you may understand. My point is that these AI tools are getting amazing day by day. Still, it is in beta, but for some reason tonight I gain access to this beta tool, and you can see the end result. Now, in this free version, they are going to provide you at least three websites you can create per day. And then you can this website will only be available for 24 hours, and then you can if you wish, you can move it into a permanent website too. You can connect it there. For now, unfortunately, the WordPress plugin and the Chrome extension is not available, but you can gain access to this website. This is the free version. That's all. It has also the paid version, which I'm not using at the moment. Anyway, my point is that how this website works, or ZipWP, how this works. So once you sign up here, you'll have to simply come here and click on the complete website. And now from here, it is asking you for to choose a category that you want to create a website for. For instance, if you want to create a restaurant website, or any other type of services that you have in mind. For instance, this time let's just go ahead and create this website, Aussie Cash for Cars. They are providing or simply buying, you can also say a dealer car ship across Australia. So let's just go ahead and copy the same details that are there and see what type of website is going to create. So let's just go ahead and have the same details. Now it's asking what type of services you are providing. Okay, the services that we are providing are exactly according to these website. uh, Cash for cars, scrap car removal, cash for trucks, photo for records, and cash for smashed cars. So those are the services. I'm going to simply type them in your notepad, and then I'm going to paste them inside the zipwp. So let's just go ahead and type cash for cars, buying used cars, buying smashed cars, buying buying old cars, car removal services. Okay, what else? Photo for records, photo for records. I think that's enough for now. Let's just go ahead and copy them and paste that here. We are providing services of cross Australia. These are the simple. Okay, let's just go ahead and click continue. Okay, it is about cars. So it is for now. It's asking to choose images that you want uh, for these sections. So cache for cars. You can just simply go ahead and choose an image, and then do the same thing for each category that you have in mind. So simply select the images and then go ahead. For now, I will go with the default stuff and then click continue. It's asking for an email address, so let's just go ahead and type the same email address that are entered in this website. Go to the contact section. Okay, this is the email. Control C, copy the phone number, and now the address. Okay, you can also connect it or into the social media, but for now I'm not going to do any of those stuff. And now click continue. And let's just go ahead and choose one of the pre-built designs that these have in mind. So as you can see, these are the pre-built designs that you can choose from. Previously I chose this option. So let's just go ahead and have a look at the very first option. Once you take your mouse, uh, just simply hover your mouse, you will notice that these are it's scrolling how the interface looks like. Let's just go ahead and take a look at the second option. Okay, it's also looking quite promising. Okay, for now, let's go ahead and choose the first option and now click continue. And now this is asking for the details. Again, click start building the website. So go ahead and wait a moment until it's going to generate or create your website the way you want. So as you can see, this is the website that this AI tool has created. So for now, it looks quite promising. So as you can see, get cash for your car, except they could have replaced it with something else anyway. Now get caught, and now our services, buying used car, buying a smashed car, okay, old cars. Okay, these three, they have only mentioned these three services that we mentioned there. So about us, okay, this is also quite promising text that they have written about the website. So anywhere recent works, uh, yep, it is also quite good, except it is not clickable. So it is not. So this they will be remain there so permanently. So as you can see now, the footer is also designed quite well enough. So in working hours, address, services. Let's just go ahead and click on buying car, used car. Okay, this is like a blog section, except yeah, it's not quite good enough. Still, it's better than nothing. But you can further design it. This page is designed quite well. Instant cash, nationwide coverage, free car removal service. Okay, this is quite good. And the services, they have not created separate pages for them. So as you can see, yeah. And now get caught, where it's going to take us. Okay, here name, email, and message. Okay. Okay, as you can see, so it has done quite the I can say that around 80% of the job this tool has done your job. So you can design further it to the next level. Now if you have to log in it into the website, I don't know what was the credential of the website. Let's just go ahead and try logging in there. So as you can see, it is using the Astra theme and then the Spectra version theme, the blog version. So it is quite good enough, and you can just go ahead and design it furthermore until your heart wants. So this is quite good enough, I think. So these AI tools are quite amazing. So you should start using them into designing websites, since it is doing quite a lot of your job. Unless if you are not using Elementor. So as you can see, as I said that I have designed, mostly I'm designing my websites or the client's website using Elementor. uh, so because I am free with that also, do keep in mind that the 10web.io, they are using the Elementor for designing website. They have also these options to create website using AI. As you can see, launch and grow your business online with AI. So it's also free. You have to just connect your credit card or Mastercard to it, and then you will simply start creating website easily. So this is for the today's video. This is my experience with creating websites for my clients using AI tools. So you should also start using them for yourself and your clients. So have a nice day for now, and goodbye.